Chevy Silverado ZR2 model is a highly capable off-roader, but without sacrificing on-road comfort. The ZR2 is easily identifiable by its revised bumpers that improve the truck's approach angle to 31.8 degrees. There's also a black hood and different grille than other Silverado models, including a flow tie emblem. A skid plate is partially visible underneath the truck, and it rides on 33-inch mud terrain tires on 18-inch wheels. Inside, there's two-tone jet black and Greyston leather upholstery. For handling rugged situations, it packs a lifted suspension, with 40mm Multi-Matic DSSB spool valve dampers. New springs also increase the front and rear wheel travel over the Silverado Trail Boss. Power for the ZR2 comes from GM's naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine that makes 420 horsepower and 624 Nm of torque. It hooks up to a 10-speed automatic transmission, and there are front and rear e-lockers for maximizing traction when necessary. The ZR2 has a max payload of 653 kilograms, and a trailer tow rating of 4,037 kilograms, and there's a terrain driving mode that allows for one-pedal crawling off-road.